Sabay-sabay po nating hulaan kung sino ang ating surprise guest ngayong araw. Okay, first clue. Noong 13 years old pa lang siya, ay nakilala siya sa kanyang performance sa isang noontime show. Sa Will Time, Big Time. Okay. Contestant ba siya doon? Isa siyang drag artist at binansagang Asia's drag singing superstar. Marami akong kilalang drag artist pero hindi ko alam kung sino ang drag singing superstar. Sumali siya sa Queen of the Universe, isang international drag singing competition. Oh, and the winner of the third and most recent season of Drag Race Philippines, none other than Maxi Andreson. Hi, Maxi, how are you?
Hello!
Maxi,
Opo,
how are you?
magandang hapon.
Ay, magandang hapon. It's nice to meet you. Kamusta ka? Fresh off your win? Fresh pa talaga eh.
Yes, fresh na fresh po. I'm good naman po. Thank you for asking. I'm in the middle of the photo shoot pero syempre, Miss Pia, mag-give tayo ng time dyan kasi Miss Pia yan, bakla. Gano'n.
Uy, thank you ha. Alam mo, kami ng anak ko ay fans ng Drag Race PH and yung season 2 we watched halfway through. Eto season 3 we're catching up pa. Nako, so may spoiler na ako.
Oo
Talagang
nga.
nahintay ko.
Dapat pala hindi
Kaya
ganun
pala
yung
hindi ko nahulaan kaagad.